Hey guys, this is Amit and you are watching TechDad. In this video, we are going to compare between Samsung Galaxy M52 5G versus Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and we will discuss which one is better in camera, performance, display, audio of the devices, features, communication chips, and about the prices. In the end of the video, I will tell you which one is better according to me. So watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let the comparison start with the camera of the devices. Talking about the rear camera of the devices, M52 have triple camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel of macro camera, whereas 11 Lite comes with triple camera too, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 5 megapixel of macro camera. So the winner here is M52 because it has 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera which can take high resolution of ultra wide shots. And about the front camera of the devices, M52 have 32 megapixel of wide camera, whereas 11 Lite have 16 megapixel of wide camera. So the winner here is M52 because it can take high resolution of selfies. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. M52 have LED flash HDR and panorama, whereas 11 Lite have dual tone dual LED flash HDR and panorama. So without a doubt, the winner here is 11 Lite. And about the video recording options in the devices, M52 can shoot 4K video max at 30 fps, Full HD video max at 30 fps, whereas 11 Lite can shoot 4K video max at 30 fps, Full HD video max at 120 fps with gyro electronic image stabilization. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it has gyro electronic image stabilization which can stabilize your video footage. Moving to the performance of the devices, let's start with the operating system of the devices. M52 have Android 11 support. On the other side, 11 Lite also have Android 11 support. So it's a tie. And about the user interface of the devices, M52 have one UI whereas 11 Lite comes with MIUI. So it's a tie here because both of the user interface have different UI. So it's up to you which UI you like it or not, it's up to you. Let's talk about the processor of the devices. M52 is powered by Snapdragon 778G based on 6nm processor, whereas 11 Lite is powered by Snapdragon 732G based on 8nm processor. So the winner here is M52 because it has faster processing speed. And about the GPU of the devices, M52 is packed with Adreno 642L, whereas 11 Lite is packed with Adreno 618. So I will call the winner here is M52 because it can give you more FPS in games. Let's talk about the clock speed of the devices. M52 can clock at 2.4 GHz based on octa-core Creo chipset, whereas 11 Lite can clock at 2.3 GHz based on octa-core Creo chipset. So the winner here is M52 because it has faster clock speed. And about the RAM variants in the devices, M52 have 6GB of RAM variant, whereas 11 Lite have 4, 6 and 8GB. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it has bigger capacity of RAM options. Let's talk about the internal storage of the devices. M52 comes with 128GB of storage, whereas 11 Lite have 64 and 128GB of storage. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same read and write speed. And about the external storage of the devices, M52 have shared card slot, whereas 11 Lite also have shared card slot. So it's a tie. Moving to the display features of the devices, let's start with the display size of the devices. M52 have 6.7 inches of display, whereas 11 Lite have 6.55 inches of display. So the winner here is M52 because it has bigger screen size. And about the screen to body ratio of the devices, M52 have approximately 86.4%, whereas 11 Lite have 85.3%. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same ratio. Let's talk about the screen resolution of the devices. M52 comes with Full HD Plus display. On the other side, 11 Lite have Full HD Plus display too. So it's a tie. And about the display type of the devices, M52 have Super AMOLED display having 120Hz of refresh rate, whereas 11 Lite have AMOLED display having 90Hz of refresh rate with HDR10 Plus support. So the winner here is M52 because it have 120Hz of refresh rate which can make transition more smoother. Moving to the body features of the devices, let's start with the thickness of the devices. M52 have 7.4 mm of thickness, whereas 11 Lite have 6.8 mm of thickness. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it has slimmer body. Talking about the weight of the devices, M52 comes with 173 grams of weight, whereas 11 Lite have 158 grams of weight. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have lighter body weight. And about the protective glass of the devices, M52 have Gorilla Glass 3, whereas 11 Lite have Gorilla Glass 5. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have newer generation of glass. Let's talk about the build quality of the devices. M52 have plastic back with plastic frame, whereas 11 Lite have plastic back with plastic frame. So it's a tie because both of the devices have solid build quality. And about the SIM options in their devices, both of the devices have dual nano SIM support, so it's a tie. Moving to some of the most important features of the devices, let's start with the fingerprint scanner of the devices. M52 have side mounted fingerprint scanner, on the other side 11 Lite have side mounted fingerprint scanner. So it's a tie. And about the sensors in the devices, M52 have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass, whereas 11 Lite have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass. So it's a tie. Let's talk about the battery capacity of the devices. M52 have 5000 mAh battery capacity, whereas 11 Lite also have 4250 mAh battery capacity. So the winner here is M52 because it have bigger battery capacity. Let's talk about the charging speed of the devices. M52 have 25 watts of fast charging, whereas 11 Lite have 33 watts of fast charging. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have faster charging speed. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the devices. M52 comes with normal speakers, whereas 11 Lite have dual speakers. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it can produce immersive sound. And about the headphone jack of the devices, M52 have 3.5mm of headphone jack, whereas 11 Lite also have, so it's a tie. Moving to the communication chips in the devices, starting with the WLAN of the devices. Both of the devices have Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot, but M52 have 6th generation of Wi-Fi, which can cover more area. So the winner here is M52. And about the Bluetooth version of the devices, M52 have 5th generation of Bluetooth, whereas 11 Lite have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have newer generation of Bluetooth. Let's talk about the positioning chips in the devices. M52 have AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS and QSIS, whereas 11 Lite have dual band AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS and NAVIC. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have dual band AGPS and NAVIC chip. And about the USB connectivity of the devices, M52 comes with 2nd gen of Type-C connector with OTG support, whereas 11 Lite have 2nd gen of Type-C connector with OTG support, so it's a tie. Moving to the price of the devices in the international market, price of M52 is around $400, whereas 11 Lite is available from $300. In the Indian market, M52 have starting range from 26,000 rupees, whereas 11 Lite is available from 23,000 rupees. So the conclusion of the video is, in the camera, the winner here is 11 Lite. In the performance, the winner here is M52. In the display, the winner here is M52. In the body segment, the winner here is 11 Lite. In the features of the device, it's a tie. In the communication chips, it's a tie. And about the prices, the winner here is M52. So the decision is totally yours. Which device you like the most so far? Let me know in the comment below. What do you think, which device is better for you? So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Comment what you thought in the comment below. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please like our page TechDad. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram ID on the screen. This is Amit and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.